Hello everyone, this is for class 7 chapter 1st before uh, 3 questions. So before you read it says a king has 3 questions and he is seeking answer to them. What are the questions? Does the king get what he wants? यानी किंग के पास 3 सवाल है और वो उसके आंसर मिलते हैं कि नहीं है, उसके क्वेश्चन क्या है, तो ये सारा इस चैप्टर में है. So 3 questions, 3 सवाल. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew 3 things. अगर वो 3 चीज जानता है तो he never fail. These 3 things were, ये 3 चीजें हैं. What is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? यानी ये 3 सवाल हैं. कौन सा सही समय होता है काम शुरू करने के लिए, कौन से लोगों से उनको सलाह लेनी चाहिए, और क्या चीज़ जो है important one things that he has to do. The king therefore sent a messenger throughout his kingdom promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these 3 questions. Now many wise men came to the king, they all giving a reward. So बोलता है सब लोग आके कुछ न कुछ कहेंगे किंग को, but they all answered his question differently. सब ने उसके आंसर्स अलग अलग तरीके से दिए. In reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. यानी किंग को एक टाइम टेबल बनाओ और उसको स्ट्रिक्टली फॉलो करो. Only in this way, they said, could he do everything at its proper time. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. The king should notice all that was going on, avoid foolish pleasure, and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at a proper time. This was because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly without help from others the right time for every action. तो सभी अपनी अपनी हिसाब से जो है किंग को ये आंसर दे रहे हैं. कोई कहते हैं कि उसको टाइम टेबल बनाना चाहिए, कोई कहते हैं कि ये इम्पॉसिबल है से डिसाइड करना, तो उसको काउंसिल बनाना चाहिए. बहुत सारे लोग वाइज मैन का ग्रुप है, उसको एडवाइस करे और वो उसको फॉलो करना चाहिए. बट देन अदर्स सेड दैट देयर वर सम थिंग्स व्हिच कुड बी अर्जेंट. दीज थिंग्स कुड नॉट वेट फॉर द डिसीजन ऑफ द काउंसिल. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future, and only magician could do that. The king therefore would have to go to the magician. तो ये कहता है कि जब क्विक डिसीजन लेना हो तो आपको वो काउंसिल के डिसीजन की राह देखना पॉसिबल नहीं है. तभी कोई फ्यूचर देखने वाला मदद कर सकता है, तो क्यों ना मैजिशियन को बुलाया जाए, उसके साथ से वो पूछ के काम कर सकते हैं. In their answers to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors. Others said the priest. A few others chose the doctors, and yet others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. तो कौन सा पर्सन उसके लिए ज़रूरी है? तो लोग बोलते हैं कि काउंसलर ज़रूरी है, कोई बोलता है प्रीस्ट ज़रूरी है, कोई कहता है डॉक्टर है, तो कोई कहता है सोल्जर है. To the third question, some said science, others choose fighting, and yet other religious worship. और तीसरे क्वेश्चन ले कोई कहता है कि साइंस ज़रूरी है, कोई कहता है लड़ाई ज़रूरी है, कोई कहता है रिलीजियस ज़रूरी है. As the answers to these questions were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward. और किंग को अच्छा नहीं लगा, किसी को रिवॉर्ड भी नहीं मिला. Instead, he decided to seek the advice of certain hermit. Now, hermit who lives alone and leads a simple life, उसको hermits बोलते हैं, who was widely known for his wisdom. The hermit lived in a wood which he never left. He saw no one but simple people, and so the king put on the ordinary clothes. Before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went on alone. तो हर्मिट को मिलने का डिसाइड करके ये फॉरेस्ट में जाने के लिए किंग जाता है, और हर्मिट जो है वो सिंपल लोगों को मिलता है, तो किंग अपना सारा कुछ पीछे छोड़ के अकेले जाता है. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermits digging the ground in front of his hut. He greeted the king and continued digging. The hermit was old and weak, and as he worked, he breathed heavily. वो पहुंचता है, हर्मिट को जो खड्डा है वो कर रहा है, और जैसे किंग को देखा वो उसको ग्रीट करता है, उसके बाद में अपना काम करना शुरू कर देता है. The king went up to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer 3 questions. How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? Who are the people I need most? And what affair are the most important? तो अपने तीनों के तीनों क्वेश्चन है वापस से वो हर्मिट को बताता है. The hermit listened to the king but did not speak. He went on digging. You are tired, said the king. Let me take this spade and work in your place. तो किंग के क्वेश्चन सुनने के बाद वो हर्मिट अपना काम ही कर रहा था, तो किंग ने उसको बोला कि आप थके हुए लगते हो, Let me do for you. Thanks, said the hermit, giving the king his spade, and then he sat down on the ground. और थैंक कह के उसको दे के वापस अपने वो एक जगह पे बैठ जाता है. When the king had dug 2 beds, he stopped and repeated his questions. The hermit gave no answer but stood up, stretching out his hand for the spade, and said, Now you rest and let me work. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. 1 hour passed, then another. The sun went down behind the trees, and at last the king stuck the spade into the ground and said, I came to you, wise man, for an answer to my questions. If you can give me no answer, tell me so, and I will return home. Here comes something running, said the hermit. और वो किंग बोलता है कि मैं आपसे यहाँ पे कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछने आया हूँ, अगर आपके पास आंसर नहीं है तो बोलो, तो मैं वापस चला जाता हूँ. तभी हर्मिट बोलता है कि लगता है कोई आया हुआ है. The king turned round and saw a bearded man running towards them. His hands were pressed against his stomach, from which blood was flowing. When he reached the king, he fainted and fell to the ground. The king and the hermit removed the man's clothing and found a large wound in his stomach. The king washed and covered it with a handkerchief, but the blood would not stop flowing. The king redressed the wound until at last the bleeding stopped. तो एक हाथ दबाया हुआ था, उसको कुछ लगा हुआ था, घाव लगा हुआ था पेट में. किंग ने उसको साफ किया और हैंकरचीफ से उसको कवर किया. ब्लड बंद नहीं हुआ तो और दूसरी तीसरी बार साफ करके भी किया, और इस तरह से उसका ब्लीडिंग स्टॉप हुआ. The man felt better and asked for something to drink. The king brought a fresh water and gave to him. By this time the sun had set and the air was cool. The king washed the hermit's help, carried the wounded man into the hut, and laid him on the bed. The man closed his eyes and lay quiet. The king, tired by his walk and work he had done, lay down on the floor and slept through the night. When he woke, it was several minutes before he could remember where he was or who the strange bearded man lying on the bed was. So king बहुत थक गया था, तो जल्दी से उसको नींद आ गई, सो गया. सुबह में उठता है, 2-3 मिनट के बाद उसको याद आया कि वो कहाँ पे है. Forgive me, said the bearded man in a weak voice, when he saw that the king was awake. I don't know you, and have nothing to forgive you for, said the king. बोला मैं तो जानता भी नहीं हूँ और किस बात के लिए माफ़ी. You don't know me, but I know you. I am that enemy of yours who swore revenge on you, because you put my brother to death and seized my property. I know you had gone alone to see that hermit, and I made up my mind to kill you on your way home. But the day passed and you did not return. So I left my hiding place, and I come upon your bodyguard, who recognized me and wounded me. I escaped from him, but I should have died if you had not dressed my wound. I wished to kill you, and you have saved my life. Now if I live, I will serve you as your most faithful servant, and will order my sons to do the same. Forgive me. तो वो जो आया था उसको बात बताता है कि मैं आपको यहाँ मारने के लिए निकला था, ठीक है, क्योंकि आपने मेरी प्रॉपर्टी ले ली थी, पर आप नहीं आए, रिटर्न नहीं हुए, तो फिर मैंने बॉडीगार्ड पे हमला किया और उन्होंने मुझे घाव लगाया। पर जब मैं यहाँ आया, आपने मुझे जीवन किया, तो मैं और मेरे सन भी आपकी सेवा करेंगे, आप मुझे माफ कर दें। द किंग वॉज वेरी हैप्पी टू हैव मेड पीस विद his enemy so easily and to have won him over as a friend. He not only forgave him, but said he would send his servant and his own doctor to look after him, and he promised to give back the man his property. Leaving the wounded man, the king went out the herd and looked around for the hermit. Before going away, he wished once more to get answer to his questions. The hermit was on his knees, showing the seeds in the beds that had been dug the day before. The king went up to the hermit and said, "For the last time, I beg you to answer my questions, wise man." अब किंग बाहर आके देखता है कि हर्मिट किधर है, उससे लास्ट बार पूछ लेता हूँ। और जो डग किया था वहाँ पे वो हर्मिट बैठ के सीड्स ग्रो कर रहा था, प्लांट कर रहा था। तो वो लास्ट बार उसको पूछता है कि मेरे आप तो आंसर दे दो। "You have already been answered," said the hermit, still bending down to the ground and looking up at the king as he stood before him. वो देख रहा था, उसी ने वो हर्मिट कहता है, आपको तो आपके आंसर मिल गए। "How have I been answered? What do you mean? Do you not see?" replied the hermit. "If you had not pitied my weakness yesterday and had not dug this bed for me, you would have gone away, and then that man would have attacked you, and you would have wishes you had stayed here with me. So the most important time was when you were digging the beds." तो अगर तुमने मेरी मदद नहीं करी होती, वापस चले गए होते, तो वो तुमको मार देता। तो ये सबसे सही समय था कि तुम मेरी मदद कर रहे थे। "And I was the most important man, and to do me good was your most important business." तो मैं ही वो मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पर्सन हूँ जिसके लिए जो काम कर रहे थे वही तुम्हारा मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट काम था। Afterwards, when the man ran to us, the most important time was when you were caring for him, because if you had not dressed him wound, he would have died without having made peace with you. So he was the most important man, and what you did for him was your most important business. और उसी समय में जो आदमी आया तो उसके आपने बाउंड किया, तो that was the important work you did, and most important person for you. That's how you have made peace with him. Remember then, there is only one time that is important, and that time is now. अभी जो है सही समय, वही सही समय है. It is the most important time because it is the only time we have any power to act. तो यही एक समय है जो हमें अभी कुछ काम करना है तो अभी कर सकते हैं. The most necessary person is the person you are with at a particular moment, for no one knows what will happen in the future and whether we will meet anyone else. The most important business is to do that a person good because we were sent into this world for that purpose alone. Or the most necessary person is the person with you because you don't know the future, right? तो वही सही इंसान है जो तुम्हारे साथ है, वही important person है. And the most important business is to do that person a good. उस जो भी आपके सामने है उसका भला करना, वही आपका सबसे बड़ा काम है, पर्पस है, ठीक है. So that's the end of the story. Thanks for this.